Sanibona bafethu, njengoba ninazi ukuthi isizini siyaphela. Njengoba isizini isiphela nje, mina ngidecide ukuthi okay, angihlale phansi. Ama-games amaningi eBetway bengiwabuka kule season. Many games eBetway bengiwabuka kule season. So ngidecide ukuthi okay, angishaye i-PSL Team of the Year. PSL Team of the Season, I mean. Team of the Season yavana Sport. Ungangitshela wena yakho kuma comments ukuthi yipi Team of the Season ngokwakho, but me nayi Team of the Season yami ungangitshela wena eyakho. Starting at the back, goalkeeper bafethu. Goalkeeper for me Super Chain. Super Chain for me uyayideserve i-goalkeeper of the season. Uyayideserve goalkeeper of the season. Ungangitshela wena ngokwakho umuphi goalkeeper odeservayo ukuba kwi-team of the season. But ke for me ulomjida lo. Yabo, maybe now Shipezeze, maybe naye uRonwen Williams, but uRonwen Williams kule season le angazi noma mhlambe Sundowns ayiperformanga kuleli izinga bese iJones uperforma kulona, even though they are in the final of iCAF Champions League and they won the league. But if you can compare Mamelodi Sundowns last season and compare Mamelodi Sundowns kuleya season, yabo kunomehluko lapho, kunomehluko kakhulu. Ziningi izinto ezenzakalile kule season esiyibone khona iSimamelodi Sundowns. No, this is not the Mamelodi Sundowns we know, but they managed to win i-league and they managed to reach ama-CAF Champions League final, i-CAF Champions League final. But ke for me, I would put uSipo Chain as goalkeeper wami. Ungangitshela ama comments ngowakho. Another goalkeeper engimthandile ulo goalkeeper lo uvimbele SuperSport, but ke lo goalkeeper akayitholi recognition kakhulu. Yabo, ungangitshela ama comments igama lakhe sengilikhohliwe. Kuthi center back yami yokuqala. Center back yami yokuqala ngaqalisa bani? uSibisi. uSibisi bafethu for me umjida usedlale kahle kule season. Sibisi udlale kahle kule season bafethu, indlela adlala yakhona khuphule kakhulu amasukisi. Abantu abaningi bememgxeka ngosikhathi kuhamba uSesana. Yabo, ukulimala kandanja sengithi uSesana ukulimala kanda, abantu abaningi bawuquestion kakhulu ukuthi why kudlaliswa uSibisi kule position. uSibisi uzoyidlisa Orlando Pirates, but ke umjida ulikhuphulile izinga lakhe lokudlala, indlela adlala yakhona ukhombisile ukuthi uyena umdlali ongathenjwa lapha emuva. Yabo, uqhwesha ibhande la captain, indlela Orlando Pirates emthemba yakhona. So mina I would put uSibisi lapha. Mase kuthi i-center back ezodlala naye uSibisi uMoloyisana. Thabo uMoloyisana i-defender edlalela iStelis. Ilona defender for me elingamchallenger uSibisi kwi-defender of the season. Ilona defender for me elingamchallenger uSibisi. Ungangitshela wona ama comments nge-defender wona ungalifaki i-center back pairing ungayisebenzisa lapha. But Thabo Moloyisana for me the guy deserves i-recognition now. Uyadlala. Yabo, there are many Gauteng teams afuna ukumsayina. Asazi ukuthi yipi team ezowina. I heard ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs interested, ne Orlando Pirates nayo interested. Yabo, mase kuthi i-left back. I-left back yami ngaqalisa bani? Ngaqalisa uFawaz Basadini. Fawaz Basadini ngingamfaka kule lineup le ye-team of the season yami. Ngingamfaka uFawaz Basadini. Mjida, there are many left backs akhona kule league. Yabo, lo ma left backs lawo ngibhekile indlela adlala yakhona. Ngimbhekile uModiba. uModiba kule season akadlali kahle. Uma ubheka indlela edlala yakhona Mamelodi Sundowns ayidlali kahle. Uma ubheka ama left backs akhona kwi-league entirely, for me uBasadini uyena ongqamile kakhulu because ukwazile ukuthola even i-collab from Hugo Bros. Yabo, ukuthola i-collab from Hugo Bros akusiyona into elula. There are many talented players kwi-Betway Premiership, but Hugo Bros akababizi. Yabo, so for yena ukuthi attract ihlo lika Hugo Bros edlalela iStelis is a huge big deal. It's a huge deal actually. Yabo, so I choose him. Yabo, lapha ka left. Ungangitshela wena ukuthi ungadlalisa bala lapha ka left, but ke mina I choose him. Mase kuthi lapha ka right wing back, there was a confusion when I was choosing this. I didn't want to be biased. Yabo, I didn't want to be biased because many of you know I support the Orlando Pirates, but I didn't want to be biased. I chose Morena because even though Van Rooyen for me kule season ngidlalele kahle, but I had to look ukuthi umjida uMorena indlela adlala yakhona udlala kanjani kephi. Yabo, ma competition yawadlalayo umjida udlala kahle kuBafana Bafana, aphinda azodlala kahle futhi nakwi-squad seMamelodi Sundowns. So I had to qhathanisa the two combos and come up with the new formula ukuthi hayi man, lo mjida lo uyena mjida engiphuma nayo kulesibale ngisibalayo la. So uMorena bafethu uyena engimfakayo lapha kwi-right wing back. Ungangitshela wena. Yabo, uMorena beno Van Rooyen cishe yabo bafike kwi-level efanayo but ke output Morena lapha ungangitshela wena uzofaka mase kuthi lapha ku number 6 deep 6 mfethu ngaqalisa uTebogo Mokoena. There are many players vele abayidlalayo le position yabo ku-Betway Premiership but ke talent la Tebogo Mokoena awukwazi ukuliziba. Umjidi uyalazi ibhola, uyalazi ibhola mfethu, uyakwazi ukucommanda mfethu igame, I read the game yabo. He's been doing this for a long time yabo, he's been doing this for a long time for iBafana Bafana, for Orlando, for Mamelodi Sundowns. I wish he played for you or Pirates but yeah, that's a story for another day yabo. So umchita ngambeka lapha number 6 yabo, team of the season yami. So far so good. You can see ukuthi vele laba badlali beBafana Bafana already, you can see ukuthi vele this is a Bafana lineup sort of, because all of these players say bayidlalele Bafana. Actually they are in the Bafana squad as we are speaking right now. They are part of the Bafana camp ebizwa Hugo Bros. Ukuthi abadlali engabadlalisa ngaphambi kwa Tebogo Mokoena kuzoba bwane. For me kule season abadlali abangidlalele kahle uba uAlende Beno Ribeiro. Alende Beno Ribeiro bafethu kule season. Ribeiro angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu. For me umjida uya compete benomfuking for iPSL player of the season. Baya compete benomfuking. Asazi ukuthi uba uzowina but for me baya compete. Yes, iboye ya dropper nayo level yakhe but he showed ukuthi unali talent ekule game basasana kuyidlala neChip yabo. Showed ukuthi hayi umjida uyadlala ngempela, not cheaper per se iMagis yabo. So for me I'll put Ribeiro lapha and uAlende. For me uAlende bafethu kwi-Sundowns kule season. Yes, I can see uRibeiro Alende kule season. Alende kule season bafethu yo lo mjida bafethu uyalazi ibhola uAlende, hayi kabi angifuna uba biased, uyalazi ibhola lo mjida bafethu. Wena wabona uMessi, angimqhathanisi noMessi but ke indlela adlala ngakhona ibhola ngakuthi ubona uMessi umfishana kamakeki wamthinta nje mfethu yabo, isikhushukhushu yabo. So I'll put bona iSundowns nje ngayibeka lapha yontathu eCenter yabo. Team of the season abajida bakwazile ukuthi bayibambe ngempela iqine lapha, even though iSundowns bingadlali kahle but ke bona bebebukisa indlela yakhe bedlala ngakhona, bebebukisa. Kuze kwafana nalomfana lo Jaden Adams wa reinforcer lesa Mamelodi Sundowns yabo, baphushela lo mfana lo Ribeiro waba up front, bafaka uJaden Adams kule position. Saqina impela isisa. Mase kuthi i-right winger yami ye-team of the season I would put uMagalo mfethu. Magalo umjida ungidlalele kahle kule season, dlale kahle kule season and ngeke ngithuke mase ngibone i-team enkulu edlala eGauteng im-approach ifuna ukumsayina. Ngeke ngithuke kakhulu mase ngibone i-team yaseNorth Africa ifuna ukumsayina umjida because he performed very well yabo. There are many games I can count la ngibone khona umjida edlala kahle yabo. You can tell ukuthi this is a former Mamelodi Sundowns player because umjida ulambile indlela adlala ngakhona yakhombisa impela ukuthi uyafuna ukubuyela kule top football level yabo. Angazi kwenzakalani ngaye ephuma kwi-Sundowns but ke right now usebuyile mfethu, usedlala ngempela yabo. Now ngambala kwe-conversation ye-PSL player of the season, should be told ngambala kwe-conversation. Mase kuthi left winger yami angifuni usho ukukhuluma mfethu, angifuni usho ukukhuluma. You don't have to speak about this player. This player has done a lot. You don't have to speak. This guy mfethu ngiyamdlula nje, angifuni usho ukukhuluma ngaye bafethu. Hey lo mfana lo uyalazi kakhulu. Mase kuthi Ikram Reyners bafethu umjida phambili uyena umjida mina engambeka as number 9 wami yabo. As number 9 wami Ikram Reyners uyena umdlali engambeka thengwe eMamelodi Sundowns from Stelis but indlela esenze ngakhona ungaze uphike ngempela ukuthi umdlali lo sathana kufika kwiSundowns but indlela akora ngakhona uyakhombisa ngempela ukuthi ulambile naye. Uyakhombisa ukuthi ulambile. I-team yokuqala le inkulu asekayidlalela empilweni yakhe. Njengoba i-team yokuqala nje uyakhombisa ukuthi uyalwela ngempela ijezi. Lwela ngempela ijezi ubangisana nobani noRibeiro lapha ngamagoli. uRibeiro uthi kumhlula kancane amagoli a few but now uyadlala uIkram Reyners yabo. So iyona team of the season yavana sport le. Awungitshele yakho kuma comments yabo, ungitshela ukuthi ubani ongamshintsha nobani la. Tshele nje kuma comments. For me this is my team of the season. Sibo Chain, Moloisane and Spisi, Tapelo Morena, Pasadena as a left back, Mokoena, Ribeiro, Alende, Magalo, Mfokeng, iCrime Rainers lapha on front on top njalo yabo ngangitshela ama comments bafethu uVane Sports lo